Okay guys, now you're ready for the next step, and that's installing the battery onto your U2 outboard motor. What you want to do is grab the battery however you feel comfortable. We do include a carry handle at the back. You can use this carry handle. Basically, however it feels comfortable, grab the battery. You want to line up the battery with these two black nubs on the back of the outboard motor, slide it down, and then just let gravity do the work. Once it clicks in, it's job done, guys. So we have a second way that you can install the battery. So what you want to do is on the side of the motor, you'll see this little knob, this little turn device here that has an audible click when engaged. When that's engaged, that locks your motor from going side to side. Now it can't move anywhere when you tilt the motor up. Then you want to go to the back of the motor, you'll see a blue tab. You press that and take a little bit of the weight of the motor. If you're inside the boat, you can do it with the tiller. So you take a little bit of weight and press the tab at the same time, and then you are locked in basically 90 degrees. Then from inside the boat, you want to take the battery, the U2 battery, and you want to sit it on the rail and essentially push it home, and the battery's locked in. Then you go back to this same blue tab, again taking a little bit of weight on the tiller. You want to depress that blue tab and lower it back into the water. And at this point, you're locked in. The battery's locked into the outboard's locked into the transom mount. You lower your tiller and you're ready for a day on the water, ready to go. Pretty much that simple.